What are the best practices to lose weight fast before going to bed? Welcome to Gut Feelings, the channel where we support you to improve your digestion so you can live an energized life and you can bring your own gifts into the world. My name is Peggy Schimmer from peggyschimmer.com, and I'm excited today to talk about my 3 best practices to lose weight in the time before you go to bed. The first one, your dinner matters. So dinner would be the optimal meal to have low fat and low protein, because both protein and fat take much longer as complex or simple carbohydrates to be digested. So the best idea would be to have a more protein or fat dense lunch. And then for dinner, to enjoy something, if you need something warm and salty, you can have, for example, potatoes with a vegetable or a salad with some warm grilled mushrooms, things like that, and anything that is low fat and low protein. So vegetables would be great. You can also eat fruits. If you just eat one type of fruit, it would be even better. Then it's the easiest to be digested for your body. Just make sure whatever you eat is low in fat and low in protein. Tip number 2, finish your dinner 3 to 4 hours before you go to bed. So that means if you're somebody who goes to bed at 11, make sure your dinner, your light dinner, is finished at 7. So you give your body enough time to digest the food as much as possible, and then during the night your intestines have time to relax. And especially for your liver, the nighttime, because there is no digestion happening, is the main time for flourishing with other functions, for detoxing your body, helping to cleanse your blood, rebuilding tissues that are damaged, and all these other functions that the liver can't do because the bile production that is necessary for digesting fats is such an intense task. So bile is produced from your liver, which gets stored then in the gallbladder. Intense task. So make sure 3 to 4 hours before bed you stop eating. Tip number 3, your brain actually, for changing into the sleep state, from the awake state to the sleep state, needs some healthy glucose. Your brain really relies on glucose, your liver as well. It needs to be the right glucose though. The best thing to do before you go to bed, we're talking about half an hour to an hour before you go to bed. There are 2 options. Either you have 1 piece of ripe fruit. Ripe fruit can be, for example, a banana would be great because it also contains potassium, which is great for your nerves and for your muscles to relax. Ripe, brown spots, banana smell, and the peel gets off very easily. An apple is great, an orange is great, has a lot of fruit juice, ample amounts of vitamins, and also the healthy glucose. That's option number 1, 1 piece of fruit, 30 minutes to 1 hour before you go to bed. Or option 2, have either the apple cider vinegar that I recommended in the video before, I'm gonna link that up now, or if you're not really the apple cider type, which I can understand because I also don't like the taste, there's another recipe which I have for you, and that contains also 3 ingredients. So you have a glass of water, warm water, not hot water, warm water. In this warm water you dilute 1 teaspoon of raw honey. There you have the healthy glucose, you have antimicrobial properties, antibacterial, antifungal, and so many micronutrients of this raw honey. Just incredible help for your body also to restore its energy and help you sleep better. Second thing, you need cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper helps boosting your metabolism, also helps your digestion to work more efficiently, and there it's really as much as you can do. If you can go for 1/4 of a teaspoon, that's awesome. If not, just do whatever you can. And then the third ingredient is cinnamon. It's 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, anti-inflammatory, a very great herb, is used since generations for detoxing the body, helping the intestines to relax. It's a very smoothing herb. If you've already smelled that, you have this kind of relaxing feeling. So before bed, great. Repeat, 30 minutes to 1 hour before you go to bed. Either choose a type of ripe fruit, 1 piece, ripe, or second, use this magical cleansing drink and helping to relax drink, which is made out of 1 teaspoon of raw honey in warm water, not hot water. Then as much cayenne pepper as you can do, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. The best results you get if you combine all of these 3 tips. So have a low fat, low protein dinner. Eat that 3 to 4 hours before you go to bed, and include some healthy glucose 30 minutes to 1 hour before you go to bed. That's it. Let me know in the comments below what you think of these tips, if they worked for you, what you like about them. If you have any other suggestions, I'm curious to hear. Have a lovely day and I see you soon. Bye bye.